welcome to my channel Shades of Color. Today I am going to draw a symbolic drawing on Pongal festival. Here I am going to set this lid center of my sketchbook because I have no pencil compass, so that's why I take this lid. I am making a circle using a black sketch pen. Now it's time for color. Here I am using Camel 24 shades brush pen. If you guys have no brush pen, then you can use sketch pen too. So as you can see, these are the colors I am going to use. At first, I take a dark peach color for draw a handi. So handi is a burnt clay pot which is used by villagers for cooking rice. Next I am going to draw woods and fire. Here I take dark brown color for woods. Now it's time for draw fire. So first I use medium yellow and then I'm going to use red on it. And now I'm going to make a rangoli. So here I'm using some bright colors. You can use colors as you wish. Then I take tint and yellow ochre color to draw rice. Next I am going to draw a simple face of a cow using grey color. After that I draw a sun using medium yellow and red. And now I take that lead again to make sugarcane plant. Here I am using purple ink pen to make a semicircle. Dark green color to draw sugarcane leaves. And now it's time for some decoration, and here I'm using some bright colors like red, yellow, purple, green, blue, etc. I make this drawing in some simple steps. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again and happy Pongal to all.